This is a temporary file created by Microsoft Money during printing. It usually deletes itself. It doesn't contain save data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain why it exists. A quick note. Our segment will highlight the immense value of having one comprehensive file inspector that can instantly handle stubborn errors across many different file extensions. An IRD file is typically a data file used by Microsoft Money for financial data, or store financial transactions, account information, and investment data. In rare cases, they are related to Sony PlayStation, PS3, and are used for game updates and patches. The structure of an IRD file varies depending on its context. Microsoft Money IRD files likely employ a proprietary format for storing financial data securely and efficiently. PS3 IRD files contain metadata and checksum information used to verify the integrity of game updates and prevent unauthorized modifications. Your primary software solution for IRD files should be Microsoft Money from Microsoft Corporation. The file requires specific permissions and handlers that Windows does not easily configure. Windows may preview high-level details, but full interpretation requires appropriate data processing tools. Your reliable first move is the Open With command. Right-click the IRD file and select Open With. If Microsoft Money is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. If the IRD file is still giving you trouble, relax. Let's keep moving forward. We're isolating the IRD problem to one of three basic causes. This next steps provide a quick, reassuring breakdown of what to look for. First, use Microsoft Money. Open the file using Microsoft Money, the required application for the financial data. Next, use Restore function. Launch the application and use its Restore function to load the backup. Finally, convert to QF-CSV. Use a conversion tool to convert the IRD file to a universal format like .qf or CSV. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.